Welcome to Art Something. I'm Dave, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how to wrap your Cheyenne Hawk pen. This method should also work with other pen-style tattoo machines. So if you don't have a Cheyenne Hawk pen, but you have a pen-style tattoo machine, then stay tuned. We're going to show you how to wrap it. These are the supplies I use to wrap my machine. First thing we're going to do, gloves. Second thing, go ahead and take the tip, unscrew it from the machine, set it off to the side. Next, clip cord sleeve. What we're going to do with this, open up one side of it, slide the machine and the cord through the clip cord sleeve. Alright, you're going to get to this point right here. As you can see, we're going to pull down, slide down till you hit right above the O-ring. Stop there. Roll it down, pinch, screw it down. After you're at this point, your next step is to set the machine down. You're going to take a piece of barrier film, peel off a piece of barrier film. You can take the entire piece like that, or you can cut a little chunk out. In this case, we'll just take the entire piece. Now, you want to take your machine. I usually start from over here, come across, stretch as best as you can. You also want to try to stretch downward like that, okay? You can cut the excess off if you want it out of your way. In this case, we'll just run it down. Next step, wrap. This is just like medical wrap for sports and what have you. We'll take this, open it up, and we wrap. It's totally up to you how much wrap you apply. In this case, we'll just put a little bit on there. You want to work it up to wherever you like it. Peel it off. And your machine is officially wrapped. You have your barrier film. I can still turn this if I need to. Next, you'll take the needle you're using, puncture the tip like that, slide the remainder in, and lock it. And you're ready to go, guys.